Hello guys, today I have the Yamaha earbuds and I'm going to show you how to enable the allow access to contacts and call history in this device. The first thing you need to actually have is your phone unlocked. So if you do so, go open the settings, and now straight from the settings you need to go straight to the connections. If you are on some other device than Samsung, select connect devices. Now once you're here, select Bluetooth. I don't know why my phone is kind of laggy here, but it works. Now once you see that, tap this gear icon near your device over here, and now here this function is called the calls. You can disable over here or enable the calls using just a simple tap, and that's how it works. I do recommend to have this option always enabled and don't care about other things. It can just be, awful to make some calls without this function because it can bug or something like that. And this option is mostly used for call nonsense and more, but you know what? This is always a software, and it can be bugged easily. Goodbye.